Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your watch history on YouTube. Let's dive right in. First, open the YouTube app and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On your YouTube profile page, tap on the gear-like icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the settings page of YouTube. Here you will see several options. From these options, find and tap on the Manage All History section on your profile page. Here, tap on the Delete option and choose the Delete All Time option. A confirmation screen will appear. Tap on the Delete option again to delete your entire YouTube watch history. And that's it. This is how you can easily delete YouTube watch history. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.